Meaning of homosexual.
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 Homosexual. Homosexual refers to an individual who is primarily or exclusively attracted to individuals of the same gender. This can be in a romantic and/or sexual sense. The term is often used to describe people who identify as gay, lesbian, or bisexual. The scientific community generally considers homosexuality to be a natural variation of human sexuality that is not a choice or a mental illness. Despite increasing acceptance in many societies, being homosexual can still be stigmatized and lead to discrimination, prejudice, and violence in some areas of the world.